Hey, it's Trevor here, and myself, Fergal and Max would like to say thanks for checking out this video, and we'd like to introduce you to Cash Prodigy. Now, let's face it, AI is everywhere. It's on the TV, it's on the radio, it's online, it's in the newspapers daily. In fact, I would challenge you to go and do a search on the news pages for AI, and you'll be shocked at how much AI is now making the headlines. The big news agencies are reporting this on a daily basis, and you'll see quite often that AI is in the news every few hours. That's because it's real. Now, the thing is this, you've probably seen a lot about AI, and you've probably seen people claiming that they can make money using AI. We see a lot of software packages in this industry being released that show us how to tap into AI to make profits. But at the end of the day, what's going to really help you is to learn how to use AI, and more importantly, how to use it to make money. And that's what we've got inside Cash Prodigy for you here today. Now, there is a ton of content in here. It's all actionable, it's very user friendly, and it's very newbie friendly. And we're going to show you which tools to use, how to use them, and of course, how to make money with them. But this program has a special little twist, and that is, if you grab Cash Prodigy, we're going to give you guaranteed approval to promote Cash Prodigy itself. So you can earn commissions as an affiliate. Plus, we're giving you the done-for-you tools to promote Cash Prodigy. So we do all the heavy lifting for you. It's in our best interest to get you making sales of Cash Prodigy. So if you'd like to know what tools we're using, our special tips, tricks and hacks, even free alternatives to programs like MidJourney that can get you amazing results without spending a penny, then this is for you. Cash Prodigy covers everything you need to know about making money online with the assistance of AI. We show you what to do, how to do it. And of course, don't forget, you've got these done-for-you tools to make money from Cash Prodigy itself, which makes this a no-brainer. Now, with the content that we've got in here, we should actually be pitching this to you on a live webinar and maybe charging $997, even $1997. But today, you can get full access to Cash Prodigy, plus the guaranteed approval to promote, plus the done-for-you tools to promote it, all of the training, all the secret tips, tricks and hacks that we're using to make over $300 plus per day for a small, very low one-time price, which makes this a complete and utter no-brainer. Now, myself, Fergal and Max are all making multiple tens of thousands of dollars per month, and we're leveraging AI to enable us to do that a lot easier and a lot more effectively. And for the first time ever, we've packed all of that into this course. So go ahead, click on the add to cart button now, and we'll see you on the other side. You will not be disappointed, I promise you that. Click on the add to cart button now, and I'll see you on the inside. All the best.